What is that, Garrus? That's pretty cool. Okay, don't push your luck, Hanny.
Yes. Okay, Hannah.
It looks like something from a Disney movie.
Hannah, it's my turn. Hannah, it's my turn.
Alright, guys, don't push your luck.
Hannah.
That's pretty neat. Alright, back away. I'm getting freaked out a little bit. Like, I really do have to see him move. Try to get this one to move, babe. I just want to make sure it's still on. Oh, Hannah. Oh, yeah. They haven't been learning that from anybody today.
I pet it too.
You did?
Yeah. I pet it first.
It was really pretty cool.
Look at his eyes.
Quit moving your hat.
It's got scary eyes. See?
Try to hold it and cuddle it.
No.
Try to hold it and kiss it, babe.
Look at his eyes.
Oh, that is freaky when it blinks them. It's like...
No, and its eyes don't blink like this. It blinks like this.
Yeah. Give him some.
I dropped my lid back there.
Okay.
His eyes. What's happening to his eyes?
Put that water in his beak again. Let him have some. He's a pretty cool bird.